So we are asked to simplify the square root of 5x to the ninth. Whenever we are simplifying square roots, simplify the numbers first and then the variables. So if we try to break down 5 into factors, this is a prime number. So just 5 and 1 are its only factors. Therefore, we cannot break down 5 anymore. That will have to stay inside the square root. Now, we can break down x to the ninth. So if we have x to the ninth, that means that we have 9 x's multiplied by each other. Okay. Since this is a square root, we are looking for groups of 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2 with 1 left over. So that means that 4 x's can come out, and what's left over is 5 and then 1 x.